short here from the train of Palma to Soller on the beautiful island of Mallorca on May the 25th, 2009. We're now approaching beautiful Tramuntana mountains here. See some great landscape. Here, if I show you back here. We've just gone through a couple of tunnels here. Look at this nice mountain peak. Beautiful. The Tramuntana mountain range is probably the most scenic area of Mallorca. It's a continuation of the mountain range, I think, of the Pyrenees on mainland Spain that go down to Barcelona and they continue on to the Balearic Islands. The rock is mostly limestone and there are some interesting formations. In the far distance here, through the mountains, you can see down to Palma. I can still see the city in the distance. Palma de Mallorca is a very large city, 300,000 to 400,000 people. It is the capital of Mallorca and the most important city on the Balearic Islands. Oh, isn't this nice? This is gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Look. Scenery here. So, you want to come in here? Excuse me? Yeah, go ahead. There's about 4 people out on the platform now. I'm squeezed into the corner, but that's okay.